Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
This dance, it reminds me of those days when we were growing up and we used to rear chicken. You know, once chicken start doing their neck like this. They say, call it today, they take the lumber.
That's the Colonel Belonia.
You know, and please, one more time, let's put our hands together for Colonel Bello. He has just been decorated and promoted yesterday by the IG of the Nigerian Police Force. He has just been promoted yesterday. In fact, you don't senior my friend now. You don't senior Aligiwa.
Should we mention his name?
Aligiwa.
Ali, your guy is here.
Go there, as a senior colleague, call Ali to come. Call Ali to come. Go there.
KB.
I'm your friend. Call Ali to
Call
come.
Ali. You can't do anything.
Officer.
Call him.
Call him to come. You senior Ali now.
You senior Ali. Oh,
I'm talking as your friend. You senior us. We know.
We are civilians. We are the first man here.
Yes, please come. Help us call Ali if you want to come. As a senior officer.
To bring his dimple over here.
Tell him to come and shine his feet in front.
May Bobrisky catch you. The moment Bobrisky is crushing on you, all this rank, we remove it.
Please permit me. I'm one of the very few people who believes in our heritage. I believe in the Yoruba culture. I believe that we must protect our culture by all means. We must protect our heritage by all means. I believe that we must keep telling our stories to change the narrative. A lot of things are happening. A lot of things have changed. But then we must keep talking about our history so that the younger generation can learn. And the person I'm about to introduce is a man that I can call a custodian of our culture, the Yorubas. Please permit me to introduce His Imperial Majesty, Oba Dr. Abdul Rashid Adewale Akobi, the Temuwa Alashe Lori Orisha Oluwa Obiwola. Please permit me to introduce him. Please, and I also want to recognize another Oba now, Miss Oba Shejiro Olalekan James, the Aholo of Kwame Kingdom, Badagry. Please, when I saw the Alashe Lori Orisha, I was happy because Obas are not in back in the Orisha. They are head of Orisha. Orishas are human beings that are being celebrated. And I've watched you several times now. And I have to say that I respect you a lot for what you do and for trying as much as possible to educate people about the Yoruba culture and our heritage. Please, one more time, let's say Kabiyesi.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.